Automate managing your screening process and improve the candidate experience with our robust solution. By integrating HireRight with Workday, you can quickly hire quality employees, saving your organization time and money. To get started, log into Workday, find your candidate, and access their candidate profile. To move them forward, select HireRight Background Check, and then choose your desired background screening package from the pull-down menu. Finally, simply click Done to start the background check. Candidates will receive a link to electronically review and sign the employer's disclosures and authorization, validate all pre-mapped data, and supply any missing information. This can be done anywhere, anytime through HireRight's mobile-capable applicant center. HireRight's team of experts will then fulfill the request, delivering visibility, transparency, and communication throughout the process. Real-time status updates are visible throughout the process. Upon completion, full details of the background checks and drug screens are available to view on the HireRight platform. Reduce time to hire, drive operational efficiency, and help provide a positive candidate experience. That's the power of our Workday integration. That's the power of our partnership.